And our first park up back in Spain again. It's 7 a.m. in the morning. Should be a bit quiet. We're just filling up with water, emptied the loo, and we're going to make a dash for the port. It's time to go home. A lovely mountain shadow as we departed. So as we leave Morocco, we popped into a fruit and veg shop for the last time. Not only is the produce good value, but it's really fresh and covered in soil, and just how I like it. So topped up with avocados, loads of them, and also lemons, onions, bananas, all the staples for a fraction of the price. So that should see us for a few weeks. Fantastic to see all the Moroccan flags on the roundabouts and lining the roads as we headed towards the port. Wish our country would do more of that. But before we knew it, we were back at the port and you could see the sea and Spain on the other side. Now to see if they've got a ferry to squeeze us onto today. Let's find out. So we parked up at the port in the area where we bought our insurance and things on the way out, just to take our voucher that Carlos gave us to the ferry desk and see which ferry they have for us to jump on today. Also the rest of our currency, because it's a closed currency, so we'll get that changed back into euros here as well. So we did that nice and swiftly on a 12 o'clock ferry. Just need to follow now the signs into customs. Okay, so it's been half an hour since we got our tickets exchanged. We've been through passport control, we've been through customs, which took a little bit of time. Looks like they've got a new iPad system that they're using, but we're through. Now we're just queuing up for the X-ray machine. So hopefully we should make our midday ferry. And this was a little bit of a queue, but before we knew it, the van was in and we were sat watching the X-ray machine going over it. So all rather swift. We then made our way through to the lane, sat in it for about 15 minutes and then embarked on the ferry. So swift indeed today. We're well chuffed. We always leave Bosun in the van because of her anxiety, so we made her a little nest so she was nice and comfortable. We jumped in the coffee queue and ordered coffee and a pan of chocolate just to keep us going. And then before we finished that, we set sail. Bye, Morocco! Very, very sad to be leaving Morocco, but there we go. Beautiful views of the Gibraltar Rock. And we even had a big pod of dolphins playing with us. Hard to capture on the video, but we sat up top on deck and enjoyed them for a good few minutes. Paul was glad to be back on a ship again. And before we know it, we had made it back past Gibraltar Rock and into port and started docking alongside. We drove off again rather swiftly, left the ship behind us and followed the exit signs through the port to make our way into Spain. So we're out, just had passport control on the Spanish side. Again, no dog documents were checked at all. Yeah. Back in the car park by McDonald's and Lidl to resupply and make our decisions on what to do next. Paul voted first and it was a McDonald's, which I must say was rather tasty. Just said goodbye to Mum and Dad. Now it's just the three of us again. Next, a big shop just to fill up our larder with tinned tomatoes and lentils and things like that. And then to the station to fill up with LPG gas. We'd used a 11 kilogram cylinder whilst we were in Morocco. Bosun then needed some fresh air, been a long day for her, and we decided a 15-minute drive on top of the hill would make a fantastic remote park up for us all to enjoy. So it's 5 o'clock. We've just found our park up for the night overlooking Gibraltar Rock, just there in beautiful, peaceful and quiet. Only a 15 minutes drive to Algeciras. The dog's gonna love it. We're gonna unravel because it's been a rather long day, but not a bad view at all. And super quiet too. It's now 5:20. We've made camp. We're sat down enjoying a drink. Bosun's tucking into some freshly cooked mince, and we've still got that wonderful view, which turned into a wonderful sunset, which we also enjoyed, and the perfect end to a good day travelling. Not sure on our plans for the next few days. We're going to very much go with the flow, but for those interested, here's our park up just north of Gibraltar in that green hillside there. A couple of park ups. This is the one we chose. So far, so good. Hopefully a quiet night's sleep. Catch you tomorrow.